Tama na.
Rawelin.
Friends, we are gathered here in special meeting for the union of these two souls in the sacrament of marriage. Do you think this man is your lawfully wedded husband? Sir? Do you think this woman is your lawfully wedded wife?
Malakas.
Malakas. I do.
What?
Sir, lakas!
What? I didn't hear it.
I do daw.
Lakas.
May these rings be the symbol of your oath under the sacrament of marriage.
Sino ko yan?
Camera.
O si Karen sa si Andres yan. Besim.
Samba. Samba. Pang-apat.
Hoy, pakasar yan.
Para tayo na nakakasyan.
Power and custody, I now proclaim you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.